Creating an Amazon account is a straightforward process that allows you to access a vast array of products, services, and benefits offered by the world's largest online retailer. In this comprehensive guide, we will take you through the step-by-step process of setting up your Amazon profile, ensuring a smooth and seamless experience from the moment you create your account. Section 1. Account Setup. 1. Visit the Amazon website. Launch your preferred web browser and go to www.amazon.com. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. 2. Choose your account type. On the Sign In page, click on the Create Your Amazon Account button. Select whether you want to create a personal or business account. 3. Provide your name and email. Enter your full name and a valid email address in the provided fields. Create a strong password for your account. 4. Verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Amazon. Click on the verification link provided in the email to confirm your email address. Section 2. Personal information and preferences. 1. Add your delivery address. Click on Your Account at the top right corner of the Amazon homepage. Under Your Addresses, click on Add Address, and enter your delivery address details. 2. Set your language and country preferences. Navigate to Your Account, and click on Language and Region Preferences. Select your preferred language and country settings. 3. Personalize your Amazon profile. Click on Your Account, and select Your Profile from the drop-down menu. Upload a profile picture and provide additional details, such as a bio or interests, optional. Section 3. Payment methods and security. 1. Add a payment method. Go to Your Account, and click on Payment Options. Select Add a card, or Add a bank account, to provide your payment details. 2. Set up two-step verification. Under Your Account, go to Login and Security, and select Edit, next to Two-Step Verification, 2SV. Follow the prompts to enable two-step verification for enhanced account security. Section 4. Amazon Prime and subscriptions. 1. Explore Amazon Prime benefits. Learn about the benefits of Amazon Prime, such as fast and free shipping, Prime video streaming, exclusive deals, and more. Click on Try Prime, or Learn More, to sign up for a Prime membership if desired. 2. Manage your subscriptions. Visit Your Account, and select Memberships and Subscriptions. View and manage your subscribed services, including Prime, Subscribe and Save, and other subscriptions. Section 5. Browsing and shopping on Amazon. 1. Navigating the Amazon website. Familiarize yourself with the homepage layout, search bar, department categories, and navigation menu. 2. Searching for products. Use the search bar to enter keywords, product names, or specific details to find desired items. Utilize filters and sorting options to refine search results based on price, brand, reviews, and more. 3. Adding items to your cart. Click on a product to view its details and click Add to Cart to place it in your shopping cart. Review your cart by clicking on the shopping cart icon at the top right corner of the page. 4. Placing an order. Proceed to checkout from your cart. Provide or confirm your shipping address and payment method. Review the order details and click Place your order to complete the purchase. Conclusion. Congratulations! You have successfully set up your Amazon account and familiarized yourself with the essential steps for navigating the website, managing your preferences, and making purchases. With your Amazon profile fully configured, you can now enjoy the convenience, extensive product selection, and numerous benefits that Amazon offers to its customers.